Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So as you have read the title, today's video is going to be yet another haul video. It's going to be a Nykaa and an Amazon haul. It's going to be a combined haul video. Both Nykaa and Amazon had amazing offers going on, like the Nykaa Hot Pink sale and the Amazon had their Prime sale. So I ordered some of the stuff before the sale and also like during the sale, so I thought of making a video on that. So I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started with the video. Firstly, I'm gonna start with Nykaa because I had a bunch of stuff from them. There's not much makeup, only one makeup item. It has never happened that I have only one item, but that's it, and the rest are skincare and body care stuff. I am gonna show you the makeup item. This is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette, the pink one basically. So I had like the topaz one and the warm brown one, so I wanted to increase my collection, so I got this, and it has amazing shades. Like, look at this, like it has amazing shades. I've swatched these shades and they are totally pigmented and amazing. I'm wearing this color, this pink color, on my eyelids, and it's super pigmented. I love the matte colors, and this glitter is what dreams are made of. It's very pigmented. I'm gonna swatch this eyeshadow. So here is it. I'm gonna swatch it right here. So this is the shadow. It's super pigmented, like super duper. It has some like reflection sort of thing, the holographic thing, which I love. I wanted to wear it today, but like it wasn't matching with my outfit, so I wore this only. But it's super pigmented. I love this shade and this palette a lot, and it was for 2500. I got it for 1800 or so, so it was on like 25 to 35% off. So I'm gonna mention the link down below because I think it's also on sale right now, so you can get your hands on these mini obsession palettes. These are truly amazing. Next I have this Mamaearth onion hair oil. I've tried the whole onion range of Mamaearth and I truly love it, like the onion shampoo, the onion hair mask. I truly love it. So I got the oil for my brother and my mother. I don't use really that oil, but they really like the oil a lot, and this is for hair fall control. I really like their onion hair, like onion oil range. It's pretty good, the onion range of Mamaearth. So we got this, and also I got this during the hot pink sale. It was on discount, and I got this moisturizer, the Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar free. Like it's a big size moisturizer which I got like free with it. It's pretty good because it's oil free, but I really like those gel based moisturizers, but it's really nice. Next up I have this is the Pantene Advanced Hair Fall Solution like conditioner. So I really wanted to try a new conditioner. I was like, I ran out of my Dove conditioner, so I got this Pantene one. It smells so good. It just smells like the Body Shop conditioner, the strawberry one. I even used to use that, so it's just like that. It smells so great, and it was in a smaller size. I got this for testing it out. It wasn't that expensive. I don't know the price, but I'm gonna mention that in the link description box, so you could check this out. Next I have these two favorites. Like these are like Himalaya Neem face wash, because I ran out of my face wash. I used to put this all the time. It was a big one and I ran out of that, so I got these two because why not. I love this because most of face washes reacts to my face. I just don't know, I get breakout, so I got this one and it never reacts to my skin. I have already used it this much. I've used it till here, and it's only been some few weeks and it's like till here. And so I got two of these, and these are not expensive, for 190, and I got it for around 160 or so. So these are pretty good face washes because they don't cause any irritation to my skin. They are pretty nice and I love these. Next up I have these two face washes, Garnier Men Power White Double Action Anti-Pollution Face Wash. This is for men, so it's for my brother. He loves this, so if you want to try it you can, because he says it's pretty good. It has charcoal and all, so I got two of these for him as well. Next up I have this is the Biotique Bio Cucumber Toner. I have not yet opened it because I'm using one right now, and I love this toner. Like it's such great toner for such a reasonable price. I think it's for 175, and for discount you get it for 120, 140, which is so cheap for such a great toner. it gives, like initially when you start using it, it gives you a tingling effect, but later on it just minimizes your pores. I've been using this like following a routine, like face wash your face, then toner, and then moisturize, and it has truly minimized my pores a lot. I could see the difference, so I really love this. Love. This is from Biotique, and I would totally recommend to you because it doesn't react to your skin. I have a pretty sensitive skin, but it doesn't react to my skin, so I freaking love this. Next I have this is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. So my skin, like I don't use scrubs for my skin. This is for my brother because he was looking for some like scrubs, but I just don't know. He said it's not that good, and I was like, okay fine. So he gave me a review. It's not that great. So yeah, if you want to try, you could try, but I would say you could Himalaya apricot scrub, I guess. Yeah, so that is very nice. I am not sure, but yeah, that's pretty good. You can try this as well. So next I have the Stony Moly Hyaluronic Mask shade. So you know that hyaluronic acid is pretty good for your skin and acne. So I've tried this mask before and I totally loved it, so I got one more of this so that I could use it whenever I want to. I really love the sheet mask. So you could try Innisfree's face mask and Face Shop and Tony Moly because I think these are Korean and they're pretty good. So you can try these out. So next up, as you know that pearl jewelry is currently trending, and I was eyeing on some pearl jewelries from a band site which is currently not available in India, but I can't order from them. So I was looking on Nykaa site and they had these pretty earrings, so I got these. Like I was just wanting this pearl one, but I got all of this just for this thing. It's from Jewels Galaxy. The brand is Jewels Galaxy. So I got this just for this small pearl earrings because I really wanted something pearlish earring and jewelry. So I got this, and this is for, it was for 900, which is pretty expensive for this because I don't think it's that great quality, but I paid for like 450, which was in 50% off, so I got this. So now let's start with Amazon. Firstly, it's a novel. The name is The Hard Thing About Hard Things, I guess. Here, this is for my brother. He got this from Amazon. I don't know, I just don't like reading books or anything, but he was interested in it, so he got this. Next up from Amazon is this is the veggie wash. It is basically used to wash your vegetables. It's like a liquidy thing which you can use to wash your vegetables because currently we are sanitizing, cleaning everything, so I guess it's very essential. So it's from Dabur, and it's for 289 rupees, and I guess we didn't get any discount on this, but we totally needed something to wash the vegetables because we don't know what is on them, like if they have any virus or something. So you have to clean them in water with apple cider vinegar or with something as this like a vegetable wash. So we got this. Also, I'm gonna mention this in the description box if you want to buy this. There are many options available of different brands, but we thought of getting by Dabur, so I got this. These MI band. So I got the MI band from Amazon as well a year ago, but my band got broken, like I don't know, the band, this sort of thing. So we got these two colors, like in a blue shade and a maroonish wine shade, and these are pretty good qualities from Amazon. So we got these two bands and they were like in a pack of 2 for 350, which is a pretty good deal. So we got these two bands, and they're like they're a better color than the black one because earlier I used to have the black ones, but these are really nice colors and they are very nice quality. So I also got Amazon Fire Stick, but it is attached to my TV. I'm not wanting to take that out because it took a lot of efforts to put that there, and basically my TV is very dumb, so to make it smart I really needed that to, you know, like I could now watch Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Netflix on TV, which is pretty good. So we got Fire Stick, and also my brother got some dumbbells. I can't lift them, so and he got some dumbbells from Amazon. I'm gonna mention them in the link or insert some pictures of their here. And yeah, so he got some dumbbells from Amazon which were not that great quality, so I would not recommend you to get those dumbbells. So next up is this is like a turntable, like a revolving table, like for cake. So when you ice the cake, you need something to turn it while you are icing the cake. So my mom is like, she's always into baking, so now she wants to even learn icing the cake more nicely. So we got this thing. It's pretty nice, great quality. It was for around 500 or something. So for a revolving table, that's pretty good. So she's gonna use it for icing the cake. I have this clock from Amazon. So I got this for around like I don't know the amount, around 600 or so. So we got this clock because the clock in my room wasn't working. So I thought this is a pretty nice clock. I just love the wall clock thing. So it's very lightweight. I could lift it with one of my hand, and the quality is really nice. It looks very good with the wall. It goes very nicely, and the price point is pretty good. So this is one of the best buy from Amazon till now, because I feel Amazon stuff is not that great, but this is really nice. I am really impressed by this. It came with some cells as well. So I really love this buy. It's very amazing. So I hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and comment down below if you like this video. And also do comment down below that which other brand you want me to make haul of. And yeah, stay safe, stay happy. Bye guys.